I am the king of the hill, top of the heap, sabi nga. But only to realize that I was standing on a heap of trash and mountain of death. Yes, it's true. Anyway, wala namang halalan ngayon. So, setting aside politics, stating facts, and I, for one, is a believer, personal belief, that by accepting that there is a problem, you just started solving it. Yun ang unang solusyon ng pagresolba ng problema. Yung tanggapin mong at huwag mong ikubli at ilagay ang alikabok sa ilalim ng alfombra. You are now starting to solve the problem. So, today, you'll not feel that we're gonna point finger, but just stating facts. Because some of you, may magbubukas pang 7 tindahan sa Maynila ngayong taon na ito. So, I better say, let's call spade a spade, and let's move on with our lives. In other words, a broom is a figure of speech that enlivens inaugural speech. Katulad ng nasabi ko na. Ginagamit bilang palamuti ng isang talumpati, halimbawa na, wawalisin ko ang walang silbing program. In my case, I have to literally will one sweep away the trash, choking the streets of the city we love. Para paputiin ang Maynila, kailangan kuskusin ng mga libag, kayuri ng kadugyutan. Sa kapal, hindi naging sapat ang walis. We have to backhoe. That is literal. I think you've seen it in so many social media already. Bulldoze and those uncollected garbage. The first time heavy equipment was used to clear the streets of Manila since the end of World War II. Yes, that's kind of state that we had when I assumed office. That is why I issued Executive Order Number 3, mandating all 896 barangay and City Hall employees in charge of LGU buildings to conduct citywide cleanup drives and declogging operations 6 to 11 a.m. every single Saturday. It's madalit salita, talagang whatever is left with regard to our resources, which in this case, human resources, we are now aligning ourselves to clean up our drainage system, streets, and so on and so on, even the walls of buildings. Nangadugyot ba at naging baniling dingding? Dahil ang libag, pag hindi kinuskos, nagiging banil at mahirap nang tanggalin. At makikita po ninyo yan kung inyo pong sisiyasatin yung aking sinabi at nangyari na sa mga hashtag sa inyong mga social media account. Linis ko Maynila and hashtag make Manila clean again. There you will see hundreds of photos and videos posted by our 896 barangay officials. This will be implemented in a sustainable focus and sustainable speed. This will be done repeatedly, daily and consciously and consistently. That I guarantee. Sabi nga ni Kaloy kanina 24 oras. Marami naman nagmamalasakit sa akin. Lagi akong tinatawagan ng atensyon. Kaya sabi sa akin sa Facebook ko, Yorme, matulog ka naman. Ang sagot ko, huwag niyong pinoproblema yung walang tulog. Ang mahirap yung walang gising. Hindi po ito ningas kugon. Ito ay magpapatuloy na inilulunsad natin. And if I may share to you my personal observation when I saw what happened to New York in the 80s, and they launched a very simple, basic program, and they call it, it's a well-known concept in governance, or what you call broken window concept. Just imagine, with just one idea, and it may sound petty, but look at New York now compared to the early 80s. So, kaya po ipagpapatuloy natin yun. They are not passing fancies nor a fad. They are operating systems that will make Manila great again. Ano man yan, uulit-ulitin ko. Araw-arawin ko. At gagabi-gabihin ko. Until it becomes a habit and develop into second nature for the community. Sa mga nagyo-yoga, makaka-relate sa akin dito. Iniba ko lang ng konti. Wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. Now, let me tell you what we have done in the past 2 weeks. In my first 2 weeks in office, I have organized and presided over 78 meetings. Activities from 12:01 p.m. of June 30, 2020. Conducted 16 site and field inspection, covering activities such as street sweeping, estero declugging, opening floodgates, and checking the maintenance and operations of our LGU 6 hospital, soon to be, sabi ko nga sa Rotary Club of Manila, maya-maya, pagtapos kong mag-sad story, baka naman. Soon to be 7 hospital in Baseco, Manila. We led the immediate distribution of financial assistance to 7 sites affected by fires. Ang sumalubong sa akin, 7 sunog agad. We met with Manila Regional Trial Court judges as well as city prosecutors to address their concerns. In my first 2 weeks, I have already convened, would you imagine, twice the local health board, convened twice the local school board, convened twice the City Risk Reduction Management Council, and convened the Manila Police Peace and Order Council. This reflects our priority. Maaliwalas na Maynila, panatag na pamumuhay. Wala pang tosgas. Mura pa. But I think our people deserves those basic, what you call sa totoo lang ano nga ito if I may borrow Kaloy